Let's learn together.
Okay, today this video is about how to apply a circular pattern on features. Okay, first I want to sketch on from plane. Okay, I will sketch a circle first, and then another small circle. Okay, and then click right, and that's my dimension of the circle. Okay, I will set 6.5 inches. Okay, and then the small circle we set 5.5. Okay, and then click right. Okay, for the features, and then absolute boss for this sketch, and then the diameter, the depth I will set 10. Okay, you can see this example, and then I will sketch on the top plane, which is I will sketch a circle. Okay, and then with my dimension of the circle I will set 1. Okay, and then click right, and then go to features, and then absolute cut of the circle. Okay, you can see this direction. I will set a mid lane. Okay, and then click right. Okay, you can see this. Okay, and then go to the circular pattern of features. Okay, for the direction 1 I will choose this curve. Okay, for the features and face I will choose this absolute cut. Okay, you can set the number of instance and then the angle. Okay, I will set the number of instance 6, and the angle is like around 30 degree. Okay, and then click right. Okay, you can see this is a circular pattern.